How to use Dropbox as a complete beginner. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Dropbox to manage all your files in one single place. So basically, if you upload anything onto Dropbox, it will be automatically synced with all your devices. So if you upload anything from your mobile, when you open Dropbox from your computer, that file will be there and it will be on your computer, laptop or tablet, whichever device you choose or how many devices you use. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. And the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to dropbox.com. Now once you're over here, as we can see, we can keep all our files securely stored up to date and accessible for any device. We can share those files really quickly and we can keep those files safe, private, and with services which has been trusted by millions. So if we scroll down below, we will have all these different options, but that really doesn't matter because I'm over here to show it for you. So when we scroll down over here, we will be asking, how will you use Dropbox? Will you use it for personal use or will you use it for work? So whichever option you choose, you can just simply choose. The process works for both. So if you're trying to use Dropbox for work, the process is very similar to personal use as well. And if we scroll down below, we can see that we have apps that are connected with Dropbox. So we have Zoom, we have Slack, we have Adobe Cloud, we have Microsoft Office, we have Google, we have Trello, we have all these different apps that are connected with Dropbox. So if you're using Dropbox, you can access all these apps very easily. So scroll back to the top. To get started, all you have to do is click on get started, and then basically you will have all these different plans in front of you. So you have the basic plan, which is free. It provides you with 2 GB of storage. You have plus plan, which is for $9.99 a month, and only one user can access this drive with over 2 TB of storage. And for the family, for the household, we have the plan which is worth for $16.99, and over here up to 6 users can use it, and it has about 2 GB of storage. Now these plans were for their personal use. For work it is much more, which is similar, but it has much more flexibility. So for the basic, we have the same as the one with the personal, 1 person and 2 GB of storage. For professional, we have 1 user with 3 GB of storage. It is for $16.58, and the standard is more than 3 users and over 5 TB of storage. And for the advanced, it is $12 per user per month, and it has more than 3 users and you can have as much storage as you need. So let's just choose the basic plan, and all you have, once you've chosen a plan, all you have to do is click on get started. And another thing before we move on, you can also read the pros of each plan down below. So we can use this plan up to for 3 devices, and for these as many devices as we want. You can read this all on your own once you're over here. So let's just simply move on with the video and then just simply click on get started. So once we click on get started, the website will look something like this, and all we have to do, and we'll need to enter in a few small details such as our first and last name, our email and password. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account, and I will catch you guys in the next part of this video. So once we've created an account, the website will look something like this, and this pop-up will be prompted in front of us, which will be telling us to download the app to edit, share and files effortlessly. So as you can go ahead and download the app if you want, but if you don't want to, it's fine, it doesn't really matter. So to download the app, you can just simply click on this button right here and the app will be downloaded. But if you don't want, click on this cross button over here and we can just simply get started with the main part of this video. So if it's your first time using Dropbox, you will see we have these 2 files in front of us. So if we open these files, it's basically giving us a small introduction and how we can use Dropbox, but that doesn't really matter. You can just simply go ahead and delete these files because you don't need them. So initially you will see that it's a pretty simple layout. So at the left side you have some of your couple of options, and then at the top you have upload, create and open, and at the bottom we have the upload section. So basically how you upload files is all you have to do is simply drag a file and then just simply drop it into this folder right here, or you can click on add from computer and click on upload file or upload folder, or you can just simply click on upload over here, which is the same, files or folder, doesn't really matter. So you have 3 ways to basically add or upload files. So let me just show you how it basically works. One sec right here. Let's just say that we're uploading this image over here. So as you can see, we've copied we've dragged this file, and as you can see at the top, we have drop your files to upload to your Dropbox. So we just simply drop the file, and as you can see, it's uploading right now. So the upload time doesn't really matter because it depends on the speed of your internet. So the faster your internet, the faster the upload and download speed will be. So basically I've downloaded the file, and if I check my phone, all of this file will be there as well. If I check my laptop or my tablet, the file will be there. So that's basically how it works. It basically syncs all the files together. Now if you want to delete the file, all you have to do is click on these three buttons, and over here you will have the delete option, and once you've deleted it, it will go to the deleted files section over here at the bottom on the left side. So click on it, and you will see that we have those two files that we deleted in 3 minutes ago. So go back to the main page, and now I'm going to show you how you can basically share a file. So to share a file, all you have to do is click on this button right here which says share. Click on it, and you can simply add an email or a name of that person that you want to share this file to. Or you can then simply create a link which you can then copy and send that link via WhatsApp or Instagram or Twitter or whichever app you use. You can just simply share that link, and then he will have the access to that file or folder. So now let's talk about how you can create folders. So at the top right here, you will see that you have a button called create. So once you click on it, you will have a folder, a shared folder, a document which has Dropbox paper, Word or Google Docs, presentation, PowerPoint presentation or Google Slide, spreadsheet, and more. So let's just say we're simply going to create a folder. So let's just simply click on folder, and all we have to do is name that folder. You can enter in the name of your folder over here, and now at the bottom we have two options. We can select who has the right to access this folder. So it can be only you or specific people that you have to choose on whom you have to share this folder with. So let's just say only you, and then simply create a folder. Wait for it, and then the folder will be created, and as you can see, the folder is empty because nothing has been uploaded yet. Now this is how you basically do things on Dropbox. Now at the left side over here, as you can see, we have an option called shared. So once we click on shared, all the files that have been shared to us or the files that we've shared are going to be over here. So we have some recents, we have folders, we have files, we have links. So any file, folder, or links that have been shared with us or that we share are going to be in this section over here. And if we look at the starred option, all the files or folders or images or links that we've starred are going to be here. Basically, it's the favorite section. And then we have file requests. Click on file requests. Now basically what file requests means is that if you need something from someone, all you have to do is request that file from anyone, whether they have a Dropbox account or not. So to request a file for someone, all you have to do is click on new request, and then just simply explain what the request is for. Basically add the title of that file or the name, add a description, and then just simply add a folder in which you want that file to be present. Choose that folder, and if you have the pro version, you can set a deadline if you want, but if you don't want, but if not, all you have to do is click a create. That will create a request file, and the person that you've sent that request will receive that email, and they will promptly send you the file that you have requested. And so that is basically it. That is how you use Dropbox. It's very simple, it's very easy. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.